Hello, are you looking for the next big investment opportunity? Well, today we are talking about one of the most exciting areas in healthcare and finance. We are talking about the booming weight loss drug market. We're going to be talking about the winners, the losers, and where the potential is for investors. So first of all, who are the big winners in this industry? Well, there are two main companies. One of them is called Lilly and the other one is called Novo Nordisk. And what they have done is that they have transformed the way that we see weight management or weight loss. So let's talk first about Novo Nordisk. Well, they have two main drugs. They are Wegovy and Ozempic, and they have been amazing. They have a great success. Why? Because they reduce people's appetite. So if I don't have that much appetite, then I don't eat as much, and then if I don't eat as much, then I can lose weight. On the other hand, there is Eli Lilly, who has a new drug called Zepbound, and this is supposed to be a game changer because in clinical trials they have shown that they can help a person reduce up to 18% of their body weight just by doing a combination of the drug, some dieting, and some exercise. But the results have been spectacular. So if we look at financial graph of both of these companies, we see amazing returns over the past 5 years. And investors are just getting warmed up. They see a huge potential, they see a huge market, and they are just buying up these companies. And we don't know where the limit is, because the more that these drugs get approved, the more that the insurance companies start paying for these drugs, the more that these become like the standard to lose weight, then the higher the revenues of these companies will have, more profits and bigger stock returns. But not everyone is happy, because guess what? When people lose weight, there are other industries that suffer. For example, gym membership will probably go down, because one of the reasons why people go to the gym is because they want to lose weight. And then if they don't have to lose weight, then they will not go to the gym. Another victim will be fast food companies like McDonald's, Burger King, or you name it, okay? Because if people are not as hungry, if they lose their appetite, then they will not stop for the casual hamburger. And companies that sell diet products, one that could be a big loser is Weight Watchers, because this is the whole company is about consensus dieting and suppressing calories and so on and so forth. But once again, if your drug is helping you suppress calories, then you don't need to pay for a big program like Weight Watchers. So everything seems good, but what could be the risk? Well, the risk is, number one, these drugs are expensive, so maybe it will be out of reach for everyone. Maybe the top 1% will be able to buy it, but then that's not a big market. These drug companies are hoping that there will be a change of regulations so that insurance companies will cover these drugs. But if that doesn't happen, that's a big risk. Another big risk is that there may be a whole bunch of competitors coming into the market. I mean, it seems that the science is not so complicated, and it could be replicated by competitors, not using exactly the same formula, but similar enough so that it could be a competitor. So those are the main risks for these companies. So the question is, should you invest in one of these companies? Well, I'm not a financial advisor, this is not a financial advice, but it's definitely something to look at. When you are looking at where am I going to put my speculative dollars, then this may be a good place to look.